State Representative John Frullo, in just his third session, has risen to the level of committee chairman of the powerful House Insurance Committee, where he's fighting Obamacare and seeking Texas solutions to our health care problems. In 2015, he co-authored the Border Security Bill, adding over $800 million to border enforcement efforts to do the job the Obama administration won't do. He's authored or sponsored over 40 pieces of legislation. He's received the designation Effective Conservative Legislator, a plus NRA rating, and has been endorsed by the Texas Farm Bureau, Texas State Rifle Association, Texas Hospital Association, and the Associated Republicans of Texas.
I'm John Frullo. Whether it's protecting our border, fighting for Texas Tech, or balancing our budget without raising taxes, I'm proud to serve you. I'd appreciate your vote in the March 1st Republican primary.
Keep a strong, effective conservative working for Lubbock and Texas Tech. Vote John Frullo, State Representative, District 84. Political ad paid for by the John Frullo Campaign.